Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
You don't want to go away for this one.
Beachy Beach. We have got the cutest home to show you on the West End. A favorite spot on Panama City Beach. The West End is the place to be. This neighborhood is a beautiful choice, no HOA.
No.
Super close to public beach access.
Yep.
30A, the airport, all the things.
It's so perfectly located on that West End, so you can get the access to all of those. And it's sitting right between Back Beach and Front Beach. So it's not going to be forever to get to the sand.
You can get anywhere from there. This 2-bedroom home has a cute little bay window in the front of the kitchen, lets the natural light in. Did you love how cheery and bright it was, the color?
It is quintessentially coastal.
And it's turnkey, right?
It's a turnkey, fully furnished. Look at the cute decor and the bedding that they've got on these as we walk through it. And check out the floors, they're magnificent.
Tile floor,
yes.
You're not having
no
to worry
sand,
about.
no water, all the things.
And I like how they have taller ceilings at the front of the home, so it makes it feel bigger,
airy,
more expansive.
And while the kitchen's not in the middle, like open concept, it's accessible to be able to see it with the table and all of that. Your family can be right there.
It still feels open. It has
bedrooms
on each side, a cute little sun porch off the back.
A huge
beautiful big backyard.
Holy cow.
You and I both were like, oh my gosh, look at this backyard.
Yep.
You can grill during the summertime, all the things. It is perfectly set up and ready for you. So if you're someone that's doing the remote work or you're looking for that beach home on the West End of Panama City Beach,
this is the one.
This is
you found it.
This is it. 2-bedroom, very spacious, and it has a garage, guys. It is such a cute house.
Absolutely.
We hope that you will check it out. If you're under 600,000 price point, this might be a good house for you to check out. We'd love to show it to you. Give us a call.
For more details, look in the description below. Check out the listing for yourself.
And don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell. Make sure you don't miss out on any future videos from thebeachshow.com.
That's right.